Clean weld seams are the key to superior quality, especially in sensitive areas like food processing, where hygiene is the top priority. This is exactly where ASS Prime from Holzer ASS comes in. Discover how this pipe weld purging system elevates your welding processes to a new level of quality. The ASS Prime pipe weld purging system by Holzer ASS has been developed specifically to ensure that the pipe weld purge unit can be smoothly inserted into long pipelines without resistance. Thanks to inflatable purge bladders, the system can be easily pulled through longer pipes and pipe bends, where conventional systems reach their limits. With ASS Prime, pipes with an internal pipe diameter of up to 1200 mm can be welded. The Holzer ASS Prime pipe weld purging system consists of two inflatable so-called forming bladders, a connection hose in standard length, and a gas line, which is available in 10, 20 or 30 meters. The process of inserting the pipe weld purge unit into the pipeline is incredibly simple. Once the purge bladders are connected with the hose and secured with a wire rope to the carabiner, the system is connected to the gas supply line at the primary bag and also secured with the carabiner. To pull the pipe weld purge unit into the pipe, the retractable spring is hooked to the pull wire of the secondary bag, also secured with the carabiner, and then pulled to the designated welding point. To perfectly position the unit at the welding point, a phosphor tape is placed in the middle of the connection hose, which is easily visible above the gap at the assembly joint due to its light effect. In the next step, using a pressure reducer with a double flow meter, the bags are inflated via the filling line with approximately 15 to 20 liters of gas per minute until they are inflated sufficiently for their surfaces to fit snugly against the pipe, sealing the pipe on both sides of the weld seam. This is indicated by the opening of the safety valve on the filling line and/or the secondary bag, where excess gas is vented. As a result, the gas amount can be significantly reduced, ensuring that the bags remain in firm contact with the pipe wall. Before the pipe purging chamber is purged, the weld joint is sealed with a special tape to ensure the best possible seal. By opening the second gas line, called the purge line, the pipe purging chamber is now purged with increased pressure, 40 to 50 liters of gas per minute. A sintered gas distributor developed by Holzer ASS allows for laminar inflow of the gas in all directions, ensuring a perfectly controlled expulsion of oxygen through an opening in the secondary bag. At this point, the residual oxygen content can be measured. The coordinated interaction of the individual modules of the unit guarantees a record time purging of the pipe purging chamber that is unmatched. Additionally, any moisture present is also pressed out of the chamber, which is another significant advantage of the ASS Prime pipe weld purge unit. For the welding process itself, the gas flow can then be reduced significantly, usually to around 20 liters per minute, without risking an increase in the oxygen content in the pipe purging chamber. Thanks to the modular design of the pipe weld purge unit, the flow direction can also be adjusted as needed. Once the welding process is completed, the bags of the pipe weld purge unit can be quickly and easily deflated. Within a short time, the gas has fully escaped, and the system can be completely withdrawn from the pipe or moved to the next welding point. The Holzer ASS Prime pipe weld purging system sets new standards in pipeline construction. It combines innovative technology with easy handling, ensuring maximum efficiency, even for demanding projects. Rely on a solution that optimizes your processes while also elevating your quality standards. The ASS Prime Pipe Weld Purging System. Simple to handle, flexible in use, and uncompromising in quality. Holzer ASS. Innovation that connects.